That would have made a girl cry
Oh, yeah.
if she were in the room when he was
That's
playing
why
that
I
for
wanted
her.
more.
All he would have to do is just like preface it. He'd just be like, so I'm going to play what comes to my heart since I don't have something written for you. And the way that I feel about you is just going to manifest into music, and I'm going to play what I feel. And then he plays that.
Yep. Sobbing puddle.
Hello and welcome back to another video where we watch a video of someone who's using my piano method to play the piano. Did I say it all?
I thought you were going to go, here we are watching a video of a video. I thought for sure that was what you were going to say.
If any of you guys who have had success using my piano method, how to fake being good at the piano, and want me to put you in one of my videos, film yourself playing, send it to me through either Facebook or like Instagram. I think Facebook is probably better. Or you can even YouTube. That's not funny.
It was funny. YouTube.
You could even upload it to YouTube and send me the link, and I will put you in a video, and we will watch your video, we will talk about it, and everyone will see your face.
We will talk about you.
So, okay, here's the latest one. This isn't the latest one. In fact, I haven't talked to this guy in a while. It was like a year ago-ish. But he also sent me one of these. And there's been others, and I misplaced them because I was too stupid to realize that this would be something that I should do. And I lost like one or two of them in the past.
So if you sent a video, send it again.
Yes.
Okay, so if we got the name wrong, Google up. It's not our fault. Please don't be mad. We need no disrespect.
We come in peace. I'm sorry for being white.
We didn't ask for this.
Limit Con. We're gonna put our faces, or my face.
I was gonna say what?
Just gonna ride your elbow while you play the piano a little bit, my friend. Alright, here we go. That was alright, so check it
That
out.
was it? I wanted more. Aww.
That would have made a girl cry
Oh yeah.
if she were in the room when he was
That's
playing
why I
that for
wanted
her.
more.
All he would have to do is just like preface it. He'd just be like, so I'm gonna play what comes to my heart since I don't have something written for you, and the way that I feel about you is just going to manifest into music, and I'm gonna play what I feel. And then he plays that.
Yep. Sobbing puddle.
Look, when you say sobbing puddle, there's two places that girls get wet in this situation.
That's not what I meant. You're such a dirty girl in tears. You said it 2 seconds before I did. You're so stupid.
Okay.
He's so impeccably dressed. Look at, he's wearing a suit.
So here you can see someone who took what I told them to do and then expanded in their own direction and built into their own style and method of playing the piano. Thank you guys for watching this video, and once again, if you guys want to be featured in one of my videos, send me a video of you playing and it will go in a video. If you guys could just hit the like button even if you don't like the video, it would really help me out. Appreciate that. If you like these videos, guys, subscribe and turn on the notification bell and you will see more videos. That way I show up when I make a video and you can watch it. So I'm pretty close to 50,000, and my 3-step goal for my YouTube life is 50,000, 100,000, 250,000, and then I'm done. I never want to get another subscriber after that. I would be satisfied with my humble little audience, which is not little, it's humongous, but also little in retrospect to other YouTubers that are big. I'm not after the millions, I just want enough to live on. If we get there, we do a face reveal
Oh my god.
with Lauren.
You're not letting that go.
You will have you will have the opportunity to see this rare figure, this person of mystery, in person on the video.
Maybe.
We will get this done, boys. Thanks for watching, you guys. We will see you next time. This is how you fake being good at the piano. Now, there are many chords and scales and techniques that a person who becomes good at the piano must learn. F all of that. We're not trying to get good at the piano. We're just trying to fake it. Anyone who actually plays the piano will see right through what we are doing. F them, they could go swallow a fork. Ain't nobody got time to be spending 8 hours a day, 7 days a week practicing piano. This technique requires you to learn 3 main things. The 4 main chords of any song in rock and roll. C, G, A flat, F. Every single song follows these 4 chords in a different order or in the same order. Let it go, let it go. And then the correct finger spacing. And at that point, all it takes is random button pressing and you're good to go. The 4 chords are located here. C, G, A flat, and F. You'll always start with your pinky on one of the 4 of those chords. Start with your left hand, pinky on C, and you skip 1, 2, 3, and then land on the 4th. And then you skip 1, 2, and land on the 5th. This is the spacing. Always, no matter what your hand is doing, it will be this spacing here. Remember this. No matter where you go on those 4 starting positions, here, 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 same spacing. When your left hand is in the right position, from your thumb, skip 1, and then there's your right hand's first position here. So it's skip 1, pointer finger, skip 2, pinky. This is the position. This always stays the same no matter where you go. So as long as you maintain steps 1 and 2, you can hit any button sequence you want. The more random, the more skilled you're going to look, and it will still sound good, especially since you're staying in the pentatonic scale. So with your right hand, you can just go crazy. This is called a sustain pedal, I think. It makes the notes sustain. Everything sounds prettier when you hold down this pedal. Hold the sustain down with your foot, always. Make sure, when you're done f***ing around, everyone's impressed, do a run all the way up the keys. Starting at the C, right here, with your pinky. Doing the correct spacing. In order, run up the piano. And then immediately switch to here, which is the next C up, and do the same thing. And then one more. Do that a few times to get comfortable, and then you can just hammer it. You're welcome.